In this Linke review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this support tool. Linke is an all-in-one complete solution to manage, analyze, target, and track all your shared short link bio pages and get the most out of them. Once we've logged in, we come over to the dashboard. As we can see on the left-hand side, we have the option to create new project, the option of all items, short links, bio pages, domain names, folders, and notifications. I'm just going to go ahead and click on create new project. We then have two options. We have the option to create a short link or create a new page. To create a short link, if you just enter a link into there, we then have options to change the domain. If we click on the arrow, we have the option to add new domain. We can obviously enter a new link there, custom 404 link, and add a favicon image as well. We then have the option to adjust the text title. We can customize this to whatever we want. And we have the option to select a folder. Now, because we don't have a folder at the moment, you can just create a new one. Obviously, title that what you want and then click save. There is also the option to change the image, as well as modify the social media preview. We can add custom targets redirection, attach pixel tracking for Facebook, add password and blocking filters, and enable buzz and down alerts and notifications. Once we're all happy, if we just go on save link, and then as we can see the link has been created successfully, we can copy the link, share it on networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, email, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Telegram, and we also have a QR code. Once that's created, we can see our link shows up here. If we just go back onto create new project and this time go on create new page, we can obviously select our page name, click on create, and here we have an array of customization options. So first off, we can upload an image just by clicking on there. You have the option of importing your own image or selecting an image. If I typed in there cat, click search, and we can see that loads of pictures of cats come up. Below the image, we have the option to enter a title, add social media links such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can also click on the plus, which brings up a few options, such as add separation title, add paragraph text, add new link block, add social links, or add HTML block. I'm going to go ahead and click on add separation title. Here we can select another title. We have the option of customizing the text color, selecting the text font, and aligning the text. Click save there. We can see that then shows up below our social media. I also have the option of adding a new link block. So this is obviously similar to the section that we were at before. We can obviously add our link, choose a domain, edit the text title, and then we've got those same options as previously. We do also have the options to customize this as well with background color, text color, border color, link text font, and the option for animation. We have the option of how it will display on the page, such as text, a large picture with text below, just a picture, or the picture and text. Once we're happy with that, we can click on Save Link. There is also the option to add more elements. Add more elements obviously brings up the same sort of menu that the plus brings up. To our right, we have more customization options. We can customize the template. For example, we can customize it to something that looks like this, or this one here, whatever suits our needs. We then have the option to change the theme color. We could go for yellow, turquoisey, greeny, blue, pink, gradient sort of color, and more. You can of course just customize this yourself just by clicking on the background, where we can set our own color. And we also have the option to gradient this to a different color as well, like so. And then the customization of text by selecting our text color, changing the font, and we do also have the option of uploading a background image. Below here is the domains and pixels section, where we can edit our page name, add a domain, put it in a folder, or add a pixel ID for Facebook. Once we're happy with that, we can click on done. As we can see, this shows up in our all items section. In the short link section, obviously the short link we created previously shows up, and in the bios page, we can see what we've just created shows up there as well. If obviously you had a lot of short links and a lot of bio pages, we do have a filters option as well. If we click on there, you can see you can search by keywords, search by the type, the order, search by folder, domain, or ones with pixels. If we click on the domain name section, this is where we can obviously add new domains. Same as before, where you add the domain name, the custom link, and the favicon. Below there we have folders where you can obviously create your new folder. And then below folders we have a notifications section. As we can see, we have no notifications just yet. So below our bio page, we do have an analytics section. If we just click on there, we can see this is where it would show us our data. We can filter it by today, this week, this month. You can see there at the top, it shows us our total amount of visits. We do also have the option to share this to social media. We can remove it if we'd like, and of course, if we wanted to, we can edit it further. So what do I think of Linke? Well, I think it's a really great tool. They definitely make it really easy to create and manage your bio pages, as well as shortening links. I particularly like how you could upload a custom image for your background on the bio page. I did notice a couple of spelling mistakes. For example, on Messenger, when you're sharing to social media, it was spelled quite wrong there. It might just be worth looking into. Overall, I think Linke is a brilliant tool, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.